Final video to fix SCRCPY crashing after opening, and if the app launches and closes right away. Let me ask you, are you opening SCRCPY and seeing it crash instantly without any message? This problem usually happens because USB drivers are outdated. ADB is not configured correctly, graphics settings conflict, or required permissions are missing. Sometimes recent Windows updates or broken environment paths also cause this crash. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with confusing commands, risky driver changes, or steps that feel too technical to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not solve the issue. But on Rexis, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling everything blindly, we fix the exact ADB and display link that causes SCRCPY to crash on launch. This works because it restores proper communication between your phone and Windows. The method is safe, fast, and does not affect your device data. Once you apply it, SCRCPY opens normally, stays stable, and screen mirroring works perfectly. I tested this fix on multiple systems. It worked every time. That is why Rexis shares smart and stress-free solutions. If this SCRCPY crashing issue is blocking you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.